Changing the spark plugs on a motorcycle is an easy task that should be done every 12,000 miles. In order to access the tank bolts, start by removing the seat. To remove the tank, remove the two bolts at the base of the tank with an 8mm socket. To remove the tank, you will first need to disconnect the electrical connection by simply unclipping it. To remove the fuel pump, you'll need to slide back the orange clip to reveal two tabs that you can press to release the fuel pump. Lastly, on the right side of the tank, there is a hose that easily slides off. Once the tank is off, I recommend blowing some compressed air into the spark plug area in order to remove any leaves or rocks that may have made their way into the nook. To remove the plug, you can pull off the cap and place it to the side. Then use a thin-walled 18mm socket wrench with an extension to loosen the spark plug, and then you can remove the plug with pliers. The replacement spark plug is an NGK DPR8EA-9, which only costs about $3. You can place the spark plug into the threading with some pliers, and then once it is in the hole, the recommendation is to tighten to about 20 Newton meters. But the best way to gauge this is to tighten until the washer is seated, and then turn the plug an additional half turn in order to secure it. Once it is seated, you can put the cap back onto the spark plug, and you should hear an audible click when that happens. To finish up, you can reinstall the tank by connecting the two hoses and the electrical connection, and placing the tank back onto the motorcycle and securing it with the two tank bolts to complete the spark plug change.